Welcome to my quick bite video review of the software VideoReel. I'm going to give you the pros and cons on this little software. What it does is it creates very short social media videos, and what those are, it's not a full-length explainer video or a more in-depth video like what I'm doing now. This is it's sort of like a moving graphic video. It's just enough to capture the attention for traffic on social media. And as you know, that's very useful for marketing your products and services on Facebook and other social media sites versus just using a static graphic sometimes. So we're going to do a quick rundown on this video software. One thing I like about it, it was inexpensive. Number two, it's cloud hosted, so I didn't have to download anything. More and more services are going to that these days, and I really don't like when I have to download something. I actually usually won't buy it anymore if I have to download it versus a cloud hosting. So as you can see, I've made several videos here. One bad thing is they are only going to be available for 48 hours. So you need to download them and put them on your computer and use them within that time, because you cannot go back and pick it up because it's gone. So that is a negative. Let's go through and create a couple of these videos and you can see how it works for yourself. Click on Create Video. You get a number of different templates that we're going to, you can go ahead and change for yourself and, put your own text in, etc., etc. So, let's see. Why don't we try this one? Okay. Golf video. There's a couple of golf shots on here and a little bit of movement. Your text is golf, and then a bunch of gibberish here that I'm going to change. I'm going to do this for a real estate agent, so buy a home on the golf course in Arizona. Okay, that is what I'm going to leave. You can change the size of these, but you really can't change much else. You can't change the font or anything. You can change the color, however. So if you wanted to change, say this to more of a yellow, you can see how those changes are made like that. So we'll go ahead and just leave this as is. The music, we're going to use the music they give you. If you want to edit the music, there are a number of different choices here. It's a little bit hinky. This thing just keeps playing and playing through the loop. You can't really change it or stop it, so that's why you're hearing it. So we'll wait till that plays out. Take a look at each of these. If you want to edit this, you can go ahead and put in your own images right here. I could choose something else. Upload my own image. I'm going to go ahead and use the images they've given me. So let's take a preview of this short video. And you can see here's what it looks like. Nothing too fancy, simple, and that's pretty much it. So what I would do is I would assign a URL to this and then go ahead and post this on social media on a real estate client, send it to them, they can use it, whatever. So we're going to go ahead and export this. This takes a few minutes to export and put it all together. Then you can see it, download it, put it immediately on Facebook, save it to your own computer, etc. And as I said, you have to do that immediately, or when you go back in a couple of days it's not going to be there and you have to recreate the video. I guess that's because they don't want a lot of crap clouding up their cloud, so to speak. So since it is a cloud-based software, they're keeping it pretty movable. So this is rendering right now. All of these videos I created several weeks ago, so they are no longer available. If I try to download any of them. As you can see, it says file deleted since video created has passed 48 hours. So they're no good to me. So the rendering is happening right now. While you're rendering, you can go ahead and create another video. Let's see, there are some more intense videos. I mean intense as far as a lot more images, a lot more movement, a lot of different things. I'm just scrolling down the first page here. You can load more. I will caution you, a lot of these haven't worked very well for me. So some quick and easy ones that I see that do work, that golf one it might work okay. Some of the other ones that I've used that I just cannot get to work is this autumn. There's a few others, this together. I just can't get them working very well. So that is up to you. Here's one, Animal Lover, use this template. I haven't used this one much. This is super quick and easy. If you're selling pet care or something like that, this would be a great one that you could go ahead and put your URL in here if you're selling like dog items and post it on social media. This is really great if you are, going to use some of the templates they provide. Once you start getting creative and adding a lot of photos and things like that, they don't work quite as well. So let's go back and see if our video has stopped rendering. It's completed. We can now take a quick look. Let's see. There we go. Alright, there you go. You can see it is a little hinky. And that was it. It's as quick and short as it is. It's okay for social media. It's a little not very seamless. I have this software, I use it occasionally. I try to build a new video now and then. I don't really recommend it because I think there are other programs that are better out there for doing this. However, you might have better success than I do. So again, it's VideoReel. It was pretty inexpensive. I don't remember how much. I think under $30. So I did get a few social media videos out of it. Again, you have to kind of go through the process of creating a video and then putting in all your photographs, etc., changing things, and then seeing if it actually will render and play. And I have had a lot of really frustrating times using this particular software. So again, you might have better luck with it. That's my quick video review on this particular software. If you use the templates, I think, and the photographs they've provided and the text they've provided, it may work more seamlessly than trying to upload a lot of your own stuff. That's just my opinion. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, found it helpful, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and maybe subscribing. See you later.